Welcome back to the channel, folks. Got some new decals going on the Tacoma today. A gentleman out of California, goes by Decals Designs, sent me a bunch of new decals to replace all the old kind of grimy emblems on the Tacoma. I mean, they're probably original and a little over 20 years old, so these new ones being a different style altogether and black, I think is gonna look really nice on the truck. Are looking so awesome. I never had these badges here on the sides, and they might be my favorite part of it thus far. I've so far gotten the tailgate done and then both rear quarter panels we did. So all that's left to do is the little SR5s up on the front doors and the Toyota Tacomas on the passenger and driver doors. So, you know, we're plugging away. I'm really pumped about it. The backing paper you got to take your time with, especially on these little letters right here and all this detail, because you don't want to pull up the vinyl and not have it on the contact paper. So just be careful with it, take your time. I'm basically hitting it with some soap and water, the panels, followed by some polishing compound to take off any abrasiveness. And then I'm just finishing it off right before I put on the sticker with some rubbing alcohol to get rid of any grease, wax, anything that would prevent the sticker from sticking. So let's go ahead and jump up to the front here and finish this up. I almost ran out of daylight last night putting on all these decals onto the Tacoma, but I got them all on there. They look freaking awesome. They're such an upgrade. Like, it's really the little things on cars that makes the world of a difference. You know, those old emblems looked bad, and I tried cleaning them up a little bit just when I washed the car, and it's really night and day comparison with these new vinyl decals. It's such a nice upgrade. Huge shout out to DeCarlo Designs. If you guys have not only a Tacoma, I think he's doing some Nissan trucks. He's got a various lineup of vehicles that he offers different emblems and decals for. If you need any, hit him up. I'd appreciate it, because that's a good dude and he deserves your business. As far as installation goes, I definitely recommend pressing the stickers and the vinyl decals before you put them on, so that way they have an easier time sticking to the transfer paper, and you won't be like sitting there repeeling. It'll help you a little bit. And then also prep work. You need to really, like, I don't know if your truck is as bad as mine was, but those decals had probably been on there for 20 years and the grime underneath them was on there for 20 years. And it took me longer than 20 minutes to clean it off. My favorites are probably the new ones. I never had a decal on my rear fender there, and I think they look so good. It's such a nice little accent to the whole side of the truck. With that being said, DeCarlo Designs, thank you, brother. I appreciate it, and looking forward to doing more business with you in the future. Just a quick side note, the Prelude transmission hunt is still ongoing. I have a transmission just a state over that I'm gonna go try and pick up here shortly. So we'll be back to work on that Prelude soon, and the Tacoma, I kind of want to get out and do some camping in. So those are the kind of videos to expect coming up. More Prelude content, more camping videos, all the good stuff. That's why you're here. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that sub button. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Comments below what you think. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Keep elevating, adios, all that good stuff. Have a great day. Bye-bye.